Have you heard, guys? The bulls are back in town, bulls are back in town. The bulls are back in town. What's good, ladies and gents? Welcome back into another video. It's me and my squeaky chair. I don't know what's going on. Need to whack some WD-40 on that bitch. Anyway, guys, what's going on? It's looking great in the crypto markets. As we can see, the bulls are back in town. Look at all this green. We've got Celsius up 30%. Luna's doing pretty good, up 3.2% over here. Everything is green, and in my opinion, this is following the CPI report. Of course, we had a really good looking consumer price index report this 10th of August 2022. So as a result, we're seeing a bit of a pump for crypto in general, as of course that's good. It's a price catalyst, and we don't want to see inflation going up more and more. So let's have a look. Bitcoin is sitting at 24.4k. We've got Ethereum at $1,882. Might even hit the $2,000 mark very, very soon. So let's start off with some Luna Classic news. We can see this story will be on Netflix one day. I think this is so accurate. You've seen it with Bitcoin before as well. Luna Classic at 0.00015. Nobody wants it. Luna Classic at $1. Everyone is queuing up. Now, just before we get started, I just also want to share with you an exciting pre-sale that I'm looking at the moment, known as Tama Doge. Already raised $2.3 million in just 15 days. So this is a really cool one if you also like a nice high risk, high reward, or any sort of NFT, metaverse, and play to earn project. So shout out to Tama Doge over there. Full disclosure, I do hold some Tamadoge. So let's crack on to the remainder of the video. Luna Classic merged on Cosmos IBC network. We can see here, also merged. This is from EK826, which is super bullish. We've got another deployment on another network, which will be really good for the growth and the volume side of things. In addition to this, Sex.io has added the new Luna token to the platform. You can now trade both Luna Classic and the new Luna. So this is fantastic right now, because that does mean more volume, more transactions, and once the burning gets fully deployed across all these centralized exchanges, it's just going to be super bullish in general. So we can see this. People are really happy about it. And let's have a look at this. Luna Sea Whale, we've just found this one. Do we think Binance will support Luna Sea? Everyone is being a bit negative by the looks of it. Garbage. CZ wouldn't even think about it. Binance will support Luna Classic USC, just keeping them listed but not applying any kind of tax. They don't want the volume possibly going down, and if they don't apply the tax, they still got a lot of money from trading fees in the long run. Who knows what could truly happen? Many people are saying yes, many people are saying no. Anyway, Terra price today, we've still added that zero. We've still got 4 zeros for Terra Luna Classic. It's getting a bit boring, isn't it? It's just up and down, like a yo-yo. It can't find equilibrium anywhere. It can't find a balance. It's just going crazy, but it has performed rather well over the last day. So you can see we're up 4.34%. We have lost quite a bit of value against Ethereum. Ethereum is pumping right now, by the way. And Terra Luna Classic is now ranked 213. I think it was 214 a few days ago, so we have climbed up by 1, but it's got a long way to go as of yet. Over the year, of course, we can see doesn't look great, but since the event did occur, Terra Luna Classic is trying to recover hard, and the last month it has been just chopping between resistance and support quite aggressively. So here is the price analysis for Terra Luna Classic. This blue vertical line highlights each oversold position, and from those oversold positions we have seen a 35 to 40% pump. Now, so far from this oversold position, we have already seen a 30% pump. So we haven't quite seen that 38-ish% pump that we'd be looking for, but it was another oversold position right there, as we can see. So I think it's quite important to use the RSI sometimes, because it helps you identify valuable sort of entries and where investors and holders find value to start accumulating. So what's happening now is we finally flipped this 0.000097 level into a support level, which we've done at the moment. We're on the 4-hour time frame. You can see on the 20-day EMA, we are just getting that bounce off the 20-day moving average and the Bollinger Bands. We are pretty much sitting tightly in the middle. So we've got lots of volatility here. I do think there's a good chance we will retest the 0.0001 level here. Just strange that Luna Classic hasn't really got the pump like the rest of the crypto market has done at the moment. By the way, guys, I am doing a $200 giveaway of my favorite crypto lucky block, so do subscribe to the channel and you may have a chance at winning $200. That's all you've got to do, just subscribe to the channel. It's just a way of saying thank you to all you guys for watching the videos. Hop back into the analysis. We're going to look at the daily time frame, what's going on this side of things. Bollinger Bands, we're still sitting in the middle, but we are just under that 20-day moving average, as we can see, which is typically quite bearish. It means we're getting rejected at a key level of resistance. We are still in a bit of a downtrend here for Terra Luna Classic. We're not overbought on the RSI. We are just getting this consolidation, and every time we look at it, you know, reminds me of this phase where we had 18 days of pure consolidation. At the moment, it's been, I mean, I don't know if I want to call it consolidation. It's been very volatile, but at least some sort of sideways trading. 42 days trading sideways. This was a really strange move right here. I don't know what that was about, but you can see it got scooped up so quickly. So it is another key area of support. We lost this key area of support here, which was quite bad, but we flipped it back into support, luckily, as it did become a resistance. But this was a really big capitulation wick. This got scooped up in a space of 15 minutes or something crazy. And speaking of lower time frames, we should quickly have a look at that as well. So yeah, we can see here on the 30 minute, my bad, we are starting to get that slight rollover here for Luna Classic. But you know, we haven't touched this support level just yet. We are printing some green candles. We can still see a bit of continuation to the downside. So we're just getting that rollover at the moment. Hopefully we do see a pump soon. I'd love to see Terra Luna Classic write off another zero and actually start holding that 0.001 level. Things are crazy right now in crypto. So that's about a wrap really for Terra Luna Classic. It's important to look out for these levels of support. We've got the 0.000085. Lose that again, and it's probably just going to be another big downtrend. As you see, we put through a lower low, which isn't really that good. And the key level of resistance is the 0.000118 level up here, where we got that touch. We got instant rejection. So they're almost polar opposites, aren't they? If you look at this, this was all the selling pressure back into this range, and then you had this, all that buying pressure back into this little range. So are we going to get more of these crazy things happen? There's a good chance, there's a good chance. Anyway, if you like my video, if you like this analysis, if you like everything you see today, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Fiat and Greed Index, we're sitting at 41 at the moment, and yeah, I'm really excited to see what's going to happen with crypto. Make sure you check out the Tama Doge as well. They're doing a $3,000 and $100,000 giveaway. You can discover more about this in the links in my description and comment section. Make sure you also get yourself into my Discord and the Telegram groups. Stay crypto safe, guys. Bye for now.